everyone, I'm Sumi and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan omelette. So yeah, you heard me right. It's an omelette without any eggs. So let's get cooking. To make the batter, I'm adding 1 cup of gram flour to my mixing bowl. You can substitute with chickpea flour if that's more readily available to you. And I'm going to add enough water to bring it to a crepe-like consistency. So for me, that's 1 cup, but you can adjust it according to the thickness that you prefer. So if you're looking for a more pancake-like texture, add less water. And if you're looking for a more authentic omelette-like texture, then add more water. I'm going to whisk this mixture to get rid of any lumps. To this, I'm adding all my vegetables, 1 medium-sized onion, roughly chopped, 1 medium-sized tomato, roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro, and 2 finely chopped Thai green chilies. You can adjust the chilies according to your taste. I just like my omelette to be a little spicy. I'm also adding a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of dried red chili powder. Again, you can use paprika if you prefer the flavor of paprika. And this is completely optional, but I'm also adding 1/8 teaspoon of black salt or kala namak. It gives that sulfur taste to the dish which boiled eggs usually have. I'm going to give this a good mix and there's your batter. To start, I'm going to heat my pan to about medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, I'm adding a teaspoon of olive oil, but you can use coconut oil or sunflower oil. I'm going to ladle about 1/2 cup of batter onto my pan here, and you want to let this cook till you see the batter bubbling throughout, so on the edges and on the center. I'm also adding a little more oil on the top, so once I flip it, it gets all crisp on the other side as well. My batter is all bubbly and the edges looked completely cooked, and I'm going to flip this now. Again, you want to leave this for about 1 minute to 2 minutes on the other side as well till it's completely cooked or golden brown in color. So my omelette looks completely cooked. I'm going to plate this with some sriracha on the side. You can use a green chutney or ketchup, anything that you prefer. Serve it with some home fries or a salad on the side to make it a complete dish. So that was my vegan masala omelette. It's spicy and delicious. And I realized it's also gluten-free. And this just goes to show that you don't need eggs to have an awesome breakfast. So I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.